Hello everyone. Welcome to another awesome live stream. This week I'm streaming while standing. So yeah, let me actually send a tweet out about that.
Doing some leg work early on Saturday morning.
Yeah. So we're excited for today's stream because it's going to be short for starters because of a few things we're going to mention now, and we also have a few things to discuss for today as well. So we'll be working on Tanstack forms, Tanstack tables. Sorry, yeah, I'm working on Tanstack forms as well. But for today, we'll be working on Tanstack table,
Tables,
like we did
yeah.
last week, and we have a couple of awesome things to share here as well. Without further ado, let's start with introductions. So hello everyone, I'm Tobiloba, and I'm a software engineer, developer advocate, and I love JavaScript basically, and I'm always excited about anything web in general. So excited to be here today. And on this side of my screen, I have Emmanuel. So
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Obiechina. I'm a software engineer. And yeah, unlike Toby, I don't like JavaScript. I'm just joking. So yeah, excited to be here and happy to be on this live stream. I hope we have fun together and yeah, we crush it together. Let's go.
awesome. So oh, sorry, not used to glasses, but yeah. So for today, we're actually taking a look at some of the work that went into Tanstack Table. So last week, if you were following, we showed you setting up Tanstack tables locally for a contributor and how to run it and a few other things. But for this week, we'll be taking a look at some API changes that happened within the past few days from last week to today. So the plan for today initially was that we were going to make example changes for Svelte and Vue, but due to some information and the conversation we had with Kevin, we have to move some things around. So Kevin is the lead maintainer of Tanstack Table. In case you don't know, let me just give him a quick shout out and let's share his profile here. You can check out his Twitter. Let me drop his Twitter and GitHub as well. So Kevin is is an OG, and
Yeah,
he's been
an
working
awesome
so
guy.
hard on Tanstack Table. Yeah, an awesome guy. He's been working
Yeah.
so much. But AG would be awesome guy. Instead of us saying OG, because I say AG. Well, yeah, that's just a weird thing. Well, yeah.
I mean,
Well, yeah.
that also
So
makes sense.
yeah,
I think that also makes sense. It was going to take some getting used to. I mean,
yeah, exactly.
um,
But Kevin has been working on this so hard, and he's been pushing for version 9, which is what we've been streaming about lately. I would
yeah,
I would invest a lot of time in this, but work and life. But yeah, we just started this live streams as an idea and a way to work on Tanstack forms because I mean we're us doing it live. It's it's motivating and it's kind of fun to do. I mean having fun while so so let me share
yeah.
and let's give Kevin a shout out. So go follow Kevin. Um, he's an amazing guy, senior software
Yeah.
engineer, obsessed with front end tables for some reason. So creator of Material, React Table, and Tanstack Table Maintainer. So follow him, leave a like on his project,
Look at it.
sponsor him. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I said look at the green wall of his contribution.
Yeah,
From this year, you can tell that this person is a
very
top guy.
he's very committed.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Us. You can check out his Twitter as well. He's at Kevin Van Court on Twitter. So give him a follow, and, give him a shout out, tell him you're from
Yeah,
us, and basically just yeah, he's an amazing person. Just wanted to give him a shout out first. So back here, we're going to focus now on the thing we came here for. So let's start by looking a bit into uh, the conversations we had with Kevin. So I'm going to share another part of my screen now. So stop sharing screen. So I already showed you this, right? This conversation we had, and you were a part of it when I was talking about it here. So let me share my screen. The window. So yeah, you saw this here, like this API change that was coming into the alpha branch that is supposed to like trigger our next line of work. Because we were supposed to make an example changes, but if we were to make example changes, we were going to have some um issues with the new commits coming in that would break some things. I'm not sure if I get this correctly, but from the conversation I had with Kevin, we had with Kevin, that was the information we got. So we had to like pause on that and try to like reformulate for this live stream because it came in late. So Emmanuel suggested that we should like promote the live streams earlier, and so that people are aware that okay, we're actually streaming this, and work on Tanstack Tables also aligns with the live stream so that we're not like left behind and we're working on things that are exactly either behind or not aligned at all. So yeah, what do you think? What do
Exactly,
you say,
exactly.
Manu?
Yeah. I think basically the major stuff that happened here is there's supposed to be like a commit, right? Changes to like the alpha branch which we're working on, and then the commit has not yet been pushed. So regardless of what we do on the live stream, it's not going to make sense in the way that some things are going to change. So if we are going to like make changes now, it's not going to align with the changes that are coming in. So we sort of needed that change first to be pushed before we can make our own changes. But regardless, I think the we need to push the live stream a bit earlier, right? So we can sort of have people be aware. I mean, ahead
Mhm. Yeah,
before we start the live stream. But regardless, we're still going to explore. It doesn't mean because of that we can't do anything. It's still going to be
nah,
fun. Trust me. Yeah.
yeah, of course, of course. Yeah, so that's just something we need to fix up on. So on my screen here, Imad, do you mind like talking through what we have on the screen?
Um. Yeah, I can see your screen. You have Okay.
So
So
yeah,
basically, we have okay. The table is a bit low. I don't know if it's from my
oh,
end.
it's not like, oh,
Yeah,
maybe I can
somehow.
zoom in.
Oh, okay. This is good. Yeah,
So Kevin was sort of thinking of I don't know if you remember, but like Kevin was sort of thinking of two paradigms basically. So with the new features options for like managing table states and table options for a table, there's like
yeah,
this underscore features object thing that we're working on, and
yeah.
basically with several other options
That's
within
like
the table options. Yeah,
yeah, that's like part of the new update for the version 9. The
yeah, exactly.
features.
The new API. Yeah, so he was thinking of two ways. Like having TypeScript letting letting you stay for features that actually exist. I mean, if a feature doesn't exist, maybe like it just erroring out and be like, oh yeah, this does not exist within the library, or him actually using the deprecated option here. I don't know. Let me share my screen. I'm actually using. Oh, sorry. I'm actually
I
using
think you have
this
to scroll
deprecated.
to. Yeah, you have to scroll. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm actually using this deprecated the directive here to like let library users know that okay, this is actually deprecated or something. So and then I
Okay.
mentioned to him that it may be a good idea, yeah, to like have it be that deprecated is something that like people migrating from V8 to V9, because I think there may be a bit of
Yeah,
breaking changes, seeing as APIs could be some APIs that are being rewritten or removed
changing.
in profile or
Yeah,
something. Yeah, exactly.
exactly.
So yeah, so then he pointed out that yeah, since we would be working on that, it might be since that we may be going with that. One thing that would be good for the libraries to have these table options types kind of like changed, or parts of the parts of the code base that use the table states, because most of the table features in one way or the other kind of like depend on table states. If you saw
Yeah.
us using Tanstack Tables live last week.
Yeah.
So yeah, exactly. So yeah, sorry, let me come back here. So and now, for example, if you look at the column filtering, table column filtering available interface, we see that like it's using deprecated. You know, if you know JS talk, you know this as
Yeah.
deprecated. You can yeah, exactly. You can just like
So it
you know
means
mhm,
when you call this column filters method, it's going to like show you that this particular method has been is deprecated, right?
exactly,
And
yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
and I also thought it would also be like a good idea if we could somehow like include the like corresponding if like for some methods that have like a newer version. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like let's say we
Okay,
have a new method that does something similar to what this column filters method does, right?
yeah,
And it's
mm-hmm,
like an upgrade on this method, right? So when you call this and
yeah,
you have the exactly when you have this depreciated tag, you can see like use this instead, like use this one instead of using.
mm-hmm,
Do you
yeah,
get what I'm saying?
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get what
So
you
I
mean.
think that one, yeah, I think that one kind of like make it more easier for like people to navigate and stuff.
Yeah, of course. But it was supposed to like be this us like changing these options and like checking parts of the core code, table core code code base, and you know us
Mm.
like having to make these replacements. You know, if you look at the Git diff here, you can see it's replacing never with like an actual
Yeah,
type. Oh, yeah,
yeah,
this is instead of it
exactly.
saying never outrightly. Yeah, and
Never
this also like
exactly.
helps with yeah, and this also like helps with like tree shaking and stuff here, because it's very hard to like kind of manage tree shaking with TypeScript.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if you have like a lot of types that are not being used, right?
yeah,
One way or
exactly.
the other. Yeah,
So yeah, yeah, basically that was one of the things that we're supposed to be focusing on this live stream, but we can't do that at the moment because uh, uh also like shout out to Kevin, by the way, he's an amazing person. But once we get like a feedback from him, we can continue from there and push through and have things set up. Um, yeah, there was some
yeah,
miscommunication from our end regarding scheduling this episode. But yeah, that's just by
yeah,
the way, anyways. Yeah, well, we just thought it was be fair to like walk people through what changes we would be making. Uh,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I remember
So
we did like a few changes on the examples last week.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So I'm guessing those examples. I think for now, we still have to wait for the for those changes for us, like
Yeah,
kind of yeah, move those examples. Uh,
I agree.
yeah,
I agree with you. So for the next step, we should actually like go through the alpha branch and show work that has been going so far. Let me just go to the code base real quick. Uh, uh, so stop sharing again and then share. So I'm going to share a tab now. Sorry, yeah, a tab. If I find which one it is. Yeah. So can you see my screen? Do I need to like zoom
yeah,
in?
it's coming up. Yeah, you need to zoom in a bit.
Is this okay?
Yeah, yeah, this is okay. It's good.
All right, okay. Yeah, okay. Um, yeah. So looking at we're going through like commit history here to like see changes that have been happening so far on Tanstack tables and on the road to V9. Yeah. Okay. So let me move
Yeah,
to the alpha branch. Oh no, this is my own branch. I think I
I
should go
think you
to
have
the
to go to
main
the
Tanstack.
main. Yeah, you have to go to the main Tanstack.
Yeah. coming there now. Where is it? Tanstack Table.
Also, also feel free to go give the project a star on GitHub. Amazing guys working on it. So just
Yeah,
feel free to give a star. Yeah, a good project. I think he has over
yeah,
4K now. Yeah.
yeah. It's an amazing project. Same with Tanstack Forms, shameless plugin. So give Tanstack Form a star. So I'm working on that. But there's like a timeline thingy that sort of like made brought this initiative to like do streams for like Tanstack projects. So we're helping out in our own little way to push this forward,
Yeah.
projects forward, and uh, towards their on their roadmap. Wait, Ima, are you frozen? Okay, yeah, you're back.
Yeah.
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 So I thought, yeah, I was sharing the right tab actually. So commits. So yeah, work on this has been pretty much. Ima, do you want to like do a walkthrough? Maybe share your screen instead.
Yeah. That would be
Like
good.
I feel like I've been Yeah, I feel like I've been talking for a while. So maybe share the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
Also, you might be doing like some work on like roadmap essays, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I've been doing a lot of contributions lately on roadmap. Um, it's been fun. I mean, the fact that I kind of like at some point in my career, I saw roadmap as like a good guideline to like sort of is my screen up? Sorry.
Yeah, it's up. Oh, it's up.
Yeah, yeah. So I saw like roadmap as a like a good like guideline to sort of navigate my way right um, into like software engineering and stuff, and contributing to it now is really it's really awesome. It's amazing. Roadmap SH, for those that don't know, it's a it's just an open source project where like you are given roadmaps, basically directive on how like to go about learning any like tech related stuff. So it's awesome. I think would have to do a live stream contributing to that maybe some other time. Never know, sure. But yeah, let's go
I don't know
back.
if it's just me, but you're breaking up.
Sorry,
I
can you
think
hear
it's
me?
because you're sharing your screen. I think it's no, no, go back. I think it's because you're sharing your screen. You can share a tab instead, right? But that's not the problem. But
Mm,
so like to avoid that infinite sharing. But you can stop sharing and
oh,
reshare from StreamYard. I think you can share a tab instead of sharing your entire
all
screen.
right. Let me
But
try.
yeah,
Yeah,
but I
let me
think you were
try that.
breaking up. Let's try it again. Though. But that was not the problem. I was just
Yeah,
pointing out. Mhm.
let's try again. Trying to see. Can I get an option? Keeps showing my entire.
Now, like if you click on the option, I think you can find like if you present, you can find your Chrome options that will come up and it's tell you can share a window, an entire screen, or Chrome tab. I don't know if you are
Okay.
seeing that.
Share. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I've seen. So let me
Yeah,
just
okay.
check. Yeah. Okay. Is it up? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's up. Yeah, I can see your screen here.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. So yeah. So let's do a walkthrough. Um, so I think I'm on the alpha already. Yeah. So if we go through the commits, um, yeah, we have active contributions. This is Kevin 2 days ago, and yeah. So we have
Yeah,
progress
I'm
on.
looking.
Hmm? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but your voice is breaking up. You're breaking up a bit still, but I can hear you.
Okay. I don't know if it's my network. I don't know. Yeah, but let's see. So where do you want us to start from? I'm thinking taking it from like a certain point way up, or
Just
do you think we should do?
we could go from recent to then previous ones or
Okay.
something like that. No, no, like progress on static functions or something like that.
Yeah. Okay. So this one was made like 2 days ago. Um, so static functions. So I think this is like these are changes to like the core code. Okay.
Your
Column plan.
screen is blurry for some reason. Could you
It
see my screen
is
when I was sharing mine? Was mine clear when I was
yeah,
sharing?
yeah, but it was a bit
Should I share? Was
it
it this
was a
how?
bit I don't know whether
I think it's when you
blurry.
scroll. Oh, I think it's when you scroll that it's blurry. Maybe frame rates or something like that. Probably that.
Or is it good? Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's actually very clear now.
Oh, okay, let's see if I can scroll it. What about now?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's see what changes were made. Set column planning. Mm, okay. Colon.get is visible. This was let's see where is this coming from. Builder header groups. Okay. Um
This were like oh, I know this flex render component. I think it was basically just like updating types for them basically from the changes
yeah,
from what the changes look like, yeah. So it's just like
exactly.
updating types. Mm-hmm. Some of them look like, oh, this get is visible, for example, changed for like
Yeah,
the
it's
column.
now taking like column on table.
Yeah, as like arguments.
Yeah.
Hmm. But from the like summary of what we are seeing so far, let me check my screen as well. Um,
I think
what I'm seeing, hmm?
I think they are passing the table like this table to like most of the methods.
Yeah, but what's table?
Uh
Table is so we have to go to the file.
table dot options.
That's in yeah, looking at builder header groups .cs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can view the file. If you like, right click on those three options on the side of the file, use like those three. That what's it called
This
again? I do front end. I don't know what it calls.
do you mean this?
Yeah,
Oh.
that icon. Yeah,
Yeah, I think that will take you to like the file,
the
I
file itself.
guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The screen is not moving though.
I think it's loading up. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Our table is it's coming from types.
I can't see it though.
So I
See
think they
that
are
table there?
updating. Can you see this?
Where
I
highlight
think
the
they
line.
are
I can't.
this
Oh yeah, I can see that.
yeah.
I can. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
But
So they're like, oh, it's like it's basically like changing
so
call types though, from what I'm saying.
exactly. So they are like changing types, like the core types of because if you see this table now, it's taking table features and table data, which are like the
Oh,
new yeah, the updated table features.
yeah, exactly. Okay. Although most of this code go way over my head though, like I still need to probably like check out the code base or like get the walkthrough. From like we could bring Kevin to one of
Yeah,
our streams though, like subsequently to like just talk through a few things. But
yeah, that
yeah,
would
I
be
mean yeah,
that would be
but like
awesome
most of these are
because
like
like
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, because like most of this stuff they're like what how do I put it now? They're like all TypeScript shit and like you have to actually exactly you have to actually like get familiarized with like the code base before you can exactly know what's
What's this
going
thing?
on.
Yeah,
Yeah, what's what?
I mean
Yeah,
it's fair. Yeah, I mean it's fair to us though. Like I mean we're like putting in the effort to like get some things understood, which we have
yeah,
this. I mean from last week till now we've made like significant difference and progress.
exactly. And I think with time we get to find. I mean, some of these methods that we used last week, at least we can even from
Yeah,
there like exactly pick and know
exactly.
exactly okay what this is meant to
Which
do
yeah,
and
which one does? Yeah, exactly. Um. Okay, so oh, we have Peter in the comments on YouTube. Hey, Peter. Um.
let's check out. Mm, okay, this this one is interesting. We have table.get colon id get this okay table dot this is interesting. You see what they did
Which
here?
one? Which one is that?
Can you see
Which
this?
file are you looking at? Let me come back to
Um,
the screen. Create faceted.
colon. Yeah,
Create
let me open the
faceted min
file.
max values. Okay. I think I see the file on my end here too.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So we are getting each column, passing in the column IDs and the tables also. I think more of this thing
exactly.
is like abstracting most of the code from like V8 into like core code from what I've been seeing so far, and it's just updating the types to match that as per API changes here.
Yeah, and also I think some of these are like making it
Not
easy
on
for
all.
you to like for the methods to work
Yeah,
because
because I mean, you abstracted like for React, for example, they've abstracted everything into one hook, and you just call a
exactly like you
few,
can
just
just call and then pass exactly.
pass, yeah, pass in a few like objects like argument objects into it, so that it does create table. It's very tree shaking is like more improved and all those things. So
More improved,
because you don't want
yeah.
to be like you don't want to be like in your bundle. You don't want to have in your bundle. You don't want to have redundant code in your bundle eventually. Like when everything is
Exactly.
bundled up.
So you want to sort of like remove those unnecessary
Yeah,
part of the
exactly.
code, those modules that wouldn't be useful.
I mean, from a DS perspective, I love Tanstack Table because they actually like it's amazing how easy it is to like integrate into your project and not have to worry about so many um the intricacies of like setting it up locally. It's like
Yeah,
pretty straightforward.
yeah, exactly. I mean, with this new updates, just calling a hook and then passing few things here and there. I mean, that's like the most straightforward you can get with tables.
Yeah, I mean for React that is, I mean for other like frameworks, probably like a function or something equivalent of
Exactly.
that you can call. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so I don't know. Do you think we should go through more updates? Because most of these are like made. Well, a couple of these were made last week. Some of them are docs changes for
Yeah.
Vue, and the release. This release was published before our last live stream. So yeah, but oh wait, I think he published another release, like a minor a yeah, it was just am I
When
forgetting December?
what When was last published? Let me see.
They're just patches, I think. Just
Try
patches.
to go.
They're just patches. They were like published by Tana.
Oh, you mean this
It is not.
the docs? This was
Yeah, this
let's
last week. That was August 9.
yeah. This was
Yeah, it's
before
still.
our live stream, right?
Yeah, it was before. I think before. Yeah, yeah, it was before. Actually, yeah, before.
Yeah. So this one was us docs.
Yeah, stock changes.
Okay, and I think there's an
But
issue
in
with
my
this
opinion, Ima, I don't know if you
commit.
can hear me. You're breaking up.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I said, in my opinion, I think we've sort of like touched on most things uh, as per this live stream. I don't know if it's fair to like extend it beyond what it is.
Um, I mean, it should have made more sense if we're able
We were
to
like making, yeah,
make changes and stuff. But I mean, it's what it is. We just have to make sure we push out the live stream
yeah. I mean,
with it.
yeah. I mean, after this one, I could like schedule another one, the one for next week Saturday, so that um, we and the team are aligned on work that's going in here. You could
Yeah,
also, I don't know, I'll find a way to get you on the server as well, so that you're also aligned on that with Kevin. So both of us are like going to keep pushing this and stuff. This is episode 2 of Tanstack Table work. We didn't really do much work here. We're like giving updates and like working through things.
yeah,
Uh, but yeah, you can check our previous live stream for like how we set it up locally and how to navigate the code base and the structure and everything. But for this, our next live streams are going to like pull requests, issues. Yeah, but I mean, while we're in the live stream, we should like make 2 issues. I don't know if you want to create them anymore. So 2 issues to like update the README and contribution guideline.
yeah. Sure, sure. We can do that. So if we are going to let's open this.
So we could
Mm,
look through to see if the issue already
to
exists.
see
I don't know.
exactly what I wanted to say. Yeah.
Can just search.
So um, contribution guideline. Okay. Did I spell this correctly? Okay, I don't think there is an issue relating to contribution guidelines. So I do think we can, yeah, I think we can create a new issue. What do you think, Toby? I think hello, can you hear me,
Oh, I
Toby?
was muted. I was muted. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So bug reports, feature requests, community chat. I think this would fall under what's it called? This should fall under request. Or what do you think? Okay.
Sorry, open that. I was mute. I keep going mute. Yeah, open that first. I'm not sure where that goes to.
Because this one, I think this one takes you to the Discord server.
Yeah, you can just click on. Are you clicking on the links right now? Let me try it out.
Yeah. This one takes you to the Discord server. And yeah.
Oh, we can only see one screen of yours, so we can't see your other. Your screen is frozen. On okay, because you're sharing only that tab. I think you should be changing tabs while you're
Yeah, yeah,
at it.
yeah. Um, but I mean, on the Discord, it's not. Okay, let me see if I can share.
It's the bug reports. I think we need to open it as a bug report or something because for us to create an actual issue, then we can probably remove whatever and yeah.
Okay,
I mean it's not a bug per se, but I
exactly
wonder
why
how
I was.
this might even be an issue to create other issue templates, not just bugs.
Not just bulk
Or should we
templates, exactly.
or can we open it as a discussion if you go back like maybe go back to that feature request or something?
This, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can just open that. I think our GitHub discussion
Um,
is very active.
yeah,
So I think we can create a new discussion.
a
I
new
think from
discussion.
if you have yeah, so we'll combine the discussions of yeah, just it should be an idea.
Ideas, right?
Yeah.
QA, show and tell. Think should be under this.
So we can just be like updates, contribution guideline and readme or something. And then we can have like a detailed um account of our experiences using both.
Okay. Updates, contribution, guidelines, and readme. Uh, so we can put like a detailed description. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So do I list this list item or I
No, you can just write like a
just
normal like the issues we faced and while setting it up and the contribution guidelines not being very clear or something.
okay. Current contribution guideline do not explicitly give detailed walkthrough on how
You can
to
then drop a link to
set
our live stream or something.
yeah on how to set up the projects. And I mean this dropping an issue is always very important to give a good explanation, at least to help the
Yeah, exactly.
person viewing it, yeah, to understand what
Yeah,
you are trying to
exactly.
set up the project. Okay. Also, should we add the template for reporting issues?
Coming. Uh, I mean, yeah, we could add that, but that would be a separate discussion, I'm guessing.
Okay. Um, um,
I'm looking for like repos that have the kind of README and stuff that I want to emulate. I think TypeScript ASLint is good.
trying to run the find difficult.
I dropped the link in the private chat that you can check out.
Okay.
And I'm looking for another one actually that has something. Let me think of a project off the top of my head. I think um thinking. Then projects it's kind of
Okay. What do you think about this, Toby? Let me check out the link you sent. What do you think about that? Can
what do you say?
uh, I said, what do you think about the issue? I'm trying to.
Um the discussion, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this works. You can just add the links in the private chat and the links are this live stream. And then from there we can like have discussions with the team as to like make amendments on that end. You can also tag me too. So let's go.
Yeah. All right. Let me grab the link.
Tanstack Table. Uh,
Let me get this second one. Um, Let me get a link to this live stream.
Can I preview it to see what it looks like though?
What'd you say?
I said, can I preview it to see what it looks like? Like if you press the preview,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
check
yeah,
bookmark.
yeah. I want to like add.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, we could just like
um,
put some gaps in between or something in the top there.
yeah. So so how do I tag? Is it possible to use? Okay, yeah, this makes
Yeah, you can
sense.
just tag in. No, I don't think that tags me. It has to be like
It has to be
use
like you.
Toby then capital letter S.
Mm, it's not coming up.
I'm not sure if it's tag me, but you can just write it tag me.
Okay. Without the tag, right? Let me just
No,
write.
no, write it. No, write it with the tag. You can preview it. Let's see if it takes. Let's preview it. Let's see what it says.
Is it
Yeah, it
clickable?
tag, it
Okay,
tagged me. Yeah, it tagged me.
yeah,
Okay.
actually, yeah. I guess this is good.
Yeah, this work. I mean that works
Alright,
rather. My saying.
so let's just start discussion. Okay.
Yeah.
So now that that is up, can we also raise for the issue templates? Do you have any like? Do you have um any good issue templates that we can use to like?
I think still on TypeScript ESLint. I remember working on it and Josh showing me a few of the issue templates they had that were like properly
Okay.
done. And I was like excited about that. So let me just check this out and see if that still exists. So we can
Mm,
just propose that be emulated. But yeah, they still do. So
yeah,
something
I'm
very
currently.
extensive like this.
Let me
I'm
share. I
sharing the
think
link
I've.
with you so you
Yeah, I
can
think
click on it to
I've
grab it.
gotten it already.
Yeah, a very
Yeah, so
extensive issue
something like
template.
this exactly. So it's not just bugs.
Yeah,
Yeah, like other stuff you can get templates for. Yeah, this makes
yeah.
sense. So let's
So
go back.
these are just like logistical things that we could have that the repo should have though or could have.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah,
So if we had something like this, I mean that updating of readme would have fallen into like should have been
falling
under
into.
this documentation. Yeah, falling
Yeah,
into this.
exactly. Yeah.
So let's go back to. So I think I need to raise another discussion. Ideas, add more issue templates for more robust. All right, so I think this is going to work well. So basically, existing currently just one issue
We can't see your screen though.
Oh, you can't see my screen. Oh shit.
Yeah.
I've been sharing the other one. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm trying to start a discussion for this.
Okay.
So currently there's just one issue template exists, and the repo would be nice
Mm-hmm.
if
Yeah.
we had more templates to cover more issues that could be raised. Yeah, so it would be nice if we had like more templates to cover more issues that could be raised. Um, so I'll just drop a link to links to
You're breaking up there. I can hear you.
yeah, I think it's so links
I
to
can hear you now.
issues templates could be
Emulated.
adopted
Yeah,
or
adopted. Yeah.
emulated.
Yeah. That works. English is hard.
Do you get guy?
Yeah.
uh, that could be adopted. So let me quickly grab the TypeScript.
I just love
Um,
TypeScript ASN so much because of Josh. Josh is an amazing person. Shout out to Josh, by the way.
yeah, as a maintainer on the project, right?
Yeah, he
As like,
is. And
let me preview this.
I you're breaking up. Not sure if it's my end or it's your end. I can't I can't hear you.
I think you are
Um,
breaking now. I can't hear you clearly. Let me see.
you're breaking up. You're breaking up.
Yeah, I think you are. Oh, Captain is on the comments. He's asking, yeah, Josh, go back.
Yeah, Josh. Yeah, Josh Goldberg. Yeah, he's an amazing guy, and he works really hard on the project. For TypeScript ASN. I think they recently shipped version 8, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay.
Um,
Said you can hear us both well. Okay, okay. Thank you, Captain. I can hear you too now, Emma.
yeah, I think you were breaking before, but I think it's good now.
All
So I
right.
think
So
we can push this. Unless we want to add like more links. I think this is good.
yeah, you can tag me too, though. Here, I think we're good
Yeah,
on both. But I think other than that, we are pretty much for this stream. This stream is very short because of like API changes and stuff we have to deal with. But yeah, other than that, for this stream we pretty much achieved at least two things and a couple of
exactly.
things. Yeah. So yeah, work on this is still ongoing. I think we're still on track. The team is working really hard. Kudos to everybody working on Tanstack Table V9. We're just here like helping us in our little way. But yeah, it's been fun so far, like interacting with the team
Yeah.
and Kevin most especially. So yeah, I think I think this might be us signing out though, but that's I think that's all I have to say for now. Ma?
Yeah. I think it's has been awesome. At least we've been able to achieve something. I mean, it's not
Yeah,
like we just we're not able to do. So I mean, it would have made more sense if we were able to contribute, but it is what it is. I think moving forward, we'll have yeah, we'll have more of that. So yeah, so
yeah,
shout out to
yeah.
Kevin and the guys working on the Tanstack table. Amazing stuff. Yeah, yeah.
Stretching my
I think
legs.
that's
My legs are already tired.
but
Okay,
I'm going to try. Don't worry. Next time I'll try also like standing.
standard.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Okay, so
Uh,
thank you, thank you very much all for joining. I really appreciate you being here and following us along with this very boring stream. But I mean, I hope you're able to like pick one or two things that we were like working on. So yeah, go out there, support Tanstack Table, give them a star on GitHub, follow Kevin, give shout outs and appreciate open source basically. So because people are really putting in their own time, they're investing their own time to like make beautiful things for the world. Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
No
So don't
any
forget to like, yeah, don't forget to like,
okay.
yeah. So I said, don't forget to like give a shout out to like, I wanted to give a shout out to the guys working on this project. I mean, it's a lot of work. It's like giving back to the community for something you are not exactly being paid for. So that's basically open sources. I mean, open source is a good initiative, and also Tanstack Table. Please give them a star on GitHub, please. And also Kevin. I think Toby linked Kevin's profile. Also give him a
No, I
follow,
haven't.
and yeah, have
Uh,
you?
I haven't yet
Did
actually.
you?
I only like I only showed it in the beginning of the live stream, but I can just link that real quick.
Yeah,
Kevin
please
Vandy
do.
on Twitter. I
Yeah.
just opened that in the where's
So
the stream? Okay, I found it.
yeah. So it's been awesome, Sha. I think with time we'll get better and better, and we'll make lots of contributions. And this is also like a waiver for like people that want to actually dive into open source, and you could
The
also
real,
use
yeah.
this as like exactly as a pathway to like contribute and stuff. So yeah, I think that's it for me. Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Thank you very much, everyone, and bye. See you next week.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.